Welcome to PolyPulse. My name's John Garner. We'll be talking about recent advancements in biomedical research. When placing an endoscope, it's not uncommon for the vocal cords of a patient to be damaged during that process. Often, this can lead to scarring, which can in fact cause difficulty for the patient later on in terms of their speech and ability to communicate. Recently, researchers at University of Cincinnati used polycaprolactone from PolySciTech as a way to deliver dexamethasone in a controlled manner to the vocal cords in order to prevent vocal cord scarring. This research holds promise to prevent vocal issues from occurring after a patient has been hospitalized. If you're interested to learn more, check out the research linked in the description below. And if you would like to kickstart your journey, please visit www.polyscitech.com for research, supplies, and materials.